to see all of you. So this is Harshankar, and I personally help people in terms of their health, and health is overall holistic way of living. So I just thought, to add some value in today's time frame where people are locked down and their routines has got degraded as how it was before lockdown. So currently, everyone has really been aware about why fitness is so important for everyone because the most of our time, effort, and money goes into the medicine, visiting doctor, wasting time outside clinic, and these all things can be really avoided if we understand the basic fundamentals aspects of being healthy. So what I have been doing in this, lockdown period, I thought of sharing with to all of you so that it can add value to your life as well. So most of the people currently, whoever are there, they either struggle with their weight, their joint pain, they have migraine concern, hair fall, digestive health concern, border level diabetes, cholesterol at very early stage of their life, cardiovascular disease, diabetics, chronic degenerative disease. These all things are different names for the basic fundamental things when it gets missed in our health, and it's are all lifestyle created issues. So when people get to know that they are struggling with these kind of concerns, they get into they become active. They understand that this is a time when they have to take an action for it. They start getting into gym. They start doing some activities religiously, yoga or something. But there are two ways we can look at any condition. There is one when we want to create anything, we can either use our willpower or we can create a habit which can get inculcated as part of our daily routine. So whenever we do something as part of our willpower, we use our willpower to do something, some action like going to gym, eating something right. I don't think that willpower stay longer, and that's when people quit on the mid. And you would be seeing people getting into gym, taking membership of a year and getting out of it within a week. And because the willpower is limited, every day there is a limitation of willpower which we can use, and we are out of it. But I am talking about something which can be inculcated as a part of your daily routine. And I would be talking about, see, currently everyone, whatever is happening, also all because of somewhere we are deficient in terms of nutrition. We are not that active. Our lifestyle has become totally sedentary. And, we are not thinking about health. And because people are busy coding, they are busy in job, they are busy, doing everything else. But when it comes to health, you ask them, what did you eat? How many steps have you tracked, what have you done for your health? There is no focus, and it's no doubt that they are struggling with their health, because whatever you put focus in, that grows. So one of the vitamins which I think can really help to recover from all these basic aspects of basic health is vitamin W. And I'm talking about walking. It's a free vitamin. It does not need prescription, it does not need doctor's advice, but it can create a magic in our life. So in this current lockdown, where people cannot go out that frequently, social distancing had been maintained, but I think there should not be a reason that I cannot track some steps, I cannot walk, because people, when they sit at one place for longer period of time, our whole lifestyle becomes sedentary. They don't get up to get a glass of water. They tell someone else, can you bring some water? So if they have to take a remote as well, they don't get up and take a remote. They instruct someone else. So our lifestyle has become totally sedentary, and that leads to multiple complex and complication, digestive health concern. People who have joint pain, that increases because there is no movement in ligaments. So walking has lot of values. It matter of fact, it can add so much benefit in your life that you can save all the cost which goes to doctor and all the pain which comes to our body. So if you cannot go outside, I think you should go inside, and steps walking can be tracked. So many people currently, if you see, they get into depression, they get into anxiety, they have some diabetics patient, some cardiovascular issues patient, people getting cardiac arrest at their very early stage. So all those things can be avoided when we are active through the day. So you might have heard people getting into gym, going for 1.5, 2 hours, and rest of the day they don't know what to do. They think their quota of work is done, and they are inactive rest through the day. And this is not how our body works, because that 1 hour of gym which you have done, that is equivalent to having two idli or one dosa, the same calorie equivalent. But what we do rest of the day decides how our health would be. And that's when we are talking about being active for rest of your day. And definitely there should be a measurement of how much you should walk. There is no limit. As long as you are healthy, fine, you can do it. But as what I do personally is I track my steps. I have this tracker which tracks 10,000 steps, and I do it religiously no matter what. There are times when I had not been physically well, but I made a point to finish my steps before I go to bed. So this cannot happen just by walking in the morning, but we have to be consistent whole through the day. You can finish some steps before lunch, after post lunch, and after lunch you can definitely have a walk. And if you are walking in a place where there is a garden greenery, it adds a lot of value. It adds calmness to your mind. And people definitely have problems. They have depression. People are going through different situations. So there is a problem, but what can we do just thinking about problem. But when you get up and walk, you distance yourself from the problem. And when you come back, you look at the problem with a calmer mindset. So everything, every aspects of life can become better if you start having this small habit in terms of your daily living. It does not need anything. It does not need any place. You can, wherever you are, you can walk. The best way of doing is when you are talking to someone, when you are talking to your beloved ones, you can just walk and talk. That's the best way it can be done. If you are sitting for some time, every hour you just have a routine that 5-10 minutes you get up and walk. Because when people are working in IT job, their life becomes very sedentary. They have to sit for longer hours. But if you forget that you have to take care of your health, I don't think company will come and help you. Because as long as you are productive, company pays you off. If you're not healthy, you are just a dead resource for them. So let's take care of your health, because this is something which stands with you, and you have to live in your body. And if this is not healthy, I think people say, I know how you feel, but it's not true. People don't know how you feel. When pain is there, you are the one who goes through the pain. And this can create a magic in your life. And it does not happen out of willpower, because it is a habit which we create on a daily basis. Every day I plan to track 10,000 steps. It's not I going out of my willpower. I am dividing my steps and I'm walking it. So it takes care of depression, anxiety, sleep disorders. Someone who is looking for weight loss, that's a great thing for them. So it's a all-rounder exercise. If someone has no time, but I don't think someone can say that I cannot walk 10, 15, 20 minutes a day, or in an hour, 5-10 minutes. And some people who have critical concern, like someone has knee pain or joints pain, definitely if you don't move, still the pain will aggravate. We have to make our joints flexible. So you can start with 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but over a period of time, you will become better. Initially the pain would be there for sure, because the movement is happening, but later it will become better. You can increase to 15 minutes and 20 minutes as well. But normal people, 10,000 should not be a big deal, because on an average we track 3-4,000 by daily, in whole day, normal routine. So to do extra 5-6,000 steps, we have to be proactive. We have to think when can we do it. But after a period of time, it will become part of your living. So I hope you track this, because it's a magic. It's a everyday routine which can be. And if one thing you take care of this from today onwards till we are here on this earth, it's not about today and tomorrow. We want to be healthy, because being healthy should not be a goal. It should be a way of living what we would like to have. Because you might be interested in building muscle, all those things now, but after 15, 20, 30 years, you'd be looking about your joint health. You would be looking about your nervous system. You would be looking about your digestive health. So let's work on it from now, so that later, there is a saying, right? Either you can pay now and play later, or play now and pay later. I hope you will choose the first one. You work hard right now so that you can have health to enjoy for rest of your life. So good talking to you, and good to see all of you. We'll connect soon. Have a great day.